With my October profit, I've managed to get a payout on my 5%ers Bootcamp account this month. I've had this account since January and I haven't really put much effort into it, to be honest. Looking at the analytics, you can see I've actually been floating in drawdown ever since I got the account. My win rate this year has been only 23%, which is absolutely crazy. Not very good, but I'm still in profit overall. This year, I'm up 90%? I'm up 90% in total. That's mostly thanks to January, but October has also provided some nice profits. Now I've had a profit of $5,000 on it, which equates to a 2,500 profit split for me, because the first profit split is 50-50 with the Bootcamp account. But now my account has been scaled up to 125k. The profit split is actually going to be 75-25. I thought I'd quickly have a look at the stats, because I haven't really looked at them myself. So you can see the equity of the account, the balance, reached $105,152. So normally I'd let my profits run, but because this is kind of like a profit target to be able to scale up the account, and it is called the 5%ers, and I am wearing yellow, I thought I'd better close out the trade at the profit target so I can get my withdrawal, get my money back, and scale up the account. So you can see mostly losing trades. Long trades and short trades are about even, which is pretty good. I don't really have a bias and direction like that. My profitable trades are significantly larger than my losing trades. You can see my best profit was around 10 times larger than my biggest loss, which is fantastic. Average trade duration was 8 hours, which is very interesting. Shouldn't really be holding losses that long. I can probably cut them short. In fact, that is what I've started doing. I've started using a 9-pip stop loss as of like 2 or 3 months ago. That's probably helped with having my profits explode. So when my account got scaled up, the old one automatically got deactivated, and I had a new account appear on my dashboard for $125,000 scaled up. And what they'd done was they'd actually added my profit split, which was $2,576 on top as credit, which means that if I were to have taken a loss on this new account, it would come out of my credit first. So what I did was I actually disabled the account on my trade copier and waited the 14 days to be able to get that profit split. And now I've had that profit split, I've reactivated the account so that I'm not trading using what should be my profit, you know. So I thought that was a bit cheeky, quite interesting. It makes sense from their perspective. But yeah, I was like, nah, I'm just going to wait the 14 days so I can actually get this profit split. I'm not taking any trades. After waiting the 14 days, this withdrawal button right here turned yellow. And upon clicking it, you basically just fill in some KYC information. So things like your address, your name, your ID, stuff like that. And then they generate this invoice for you. So in the invoices tab, you can see the payout requests. You can see here, Griff Jones, $2,576. Upon clicking on it, you can see all the invoice information and payment method and all that. Within 24 hours, I got this email from TransferWise, which was the payment method I selected. And after clicking the complete your transfer button, I just entered in my bank information and I literally got the money within a few seconds. The only reason I bought a 5%ers account in the first place was because they were one of the only prop firms at the time which weren't 30-day, 60-day time limit. They were a whole year time limit. So I just thought, you know what, $80 or $95, I'll put that in the background and I'll just let it run. So I passed the first 3 challenges quite easily, and then I got the live account. They've actually introduced a 250k Bootcamp account now, which would have been great to have at the time because I'm starting all the way from 100k. But yeah, with the scale up plan, you can scale all the way up to 4 million. I don't know if anyone actually reaches that, but it would probably take you quite a while. One thing that I noticed that's really cool about 5% is their high stakes account. So I think once you scale up your account enough, you actually get a $4,000 a month salary, which is so cool because as long as you keep the account, you're going to get paid consistently and you get 100% profit split. One kind of problem that I have with this though is that you can't trade during news, and I don't really look at the news, and so I probably won't take this myself just because of that, but it looks really cool. So that's something worth looking at if you're interested in taking a challenge with 5%ers, because honestly the bootcamp, the 4% max drawdown is a bit of a pain, so I'd suggest going for more of a traditional challenge. So this is only a quick video. I found 5%ers really reliable so far, and I think they're quite underrated. I feel like they deserve some more recognition because although their challenges aren't as competitive as other prop firm challenges, I feel like they're a lot more established. They feel a lot more legitimate, and I was really impressed with the speed of the payout, first of all, and secondly, I think the main thing that's actually really impressive is their spreads. It doesn't feel like prop firm spreads. Normally, when you're entering a trade, you have a pip on either side with prop firm spreads, so you're taking out a pip a pip worse and you're entered in a pip worse. That's how it feels normally. If you want to look at the challenge options yourself, I'll put a link down below if you want to have a browse. So just to clarify, I haven't made this video to show off or anything. I feel like it's quite valuable to know what the payout process looks like. It's quite reaffirming to know what to expect from a prop firm, and you can also gauge how trustworthy it is based off of these kind of videos, because I'm telling you, I got my payout within a few seconds, so you know what to expect. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. Comment with this emoji to show me that you made it to the end. I'd really appreciate if you enjoy this video to leave a like or to subscribe to the channel if you want to see my other content. I respond to every comment, so if you have anything you want to say, just put it down below and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great week, everyone.